Namaskar, hello and welcome back. As we all know that I have created this series which talks about failures, the aspects, the factors which ensures failure in our life. Today's is the last video which talks about the same aspect, and this particular video, in this video I'll be talking about expectations from others, right? So if you are expecting something from others for your success, for your own life, right, then you are 100% ensuring that some or the other day you are going to get failed. Right? Why? Because if you want to give an example, right, if you want to earn a decent physique, right, if that is something which is you are aspiring for, right, then it is you who need to get up in the morning at 5 o'clock and start go to the gym, or hit the garden, or the open space and start pumping iron so that you can develop that kind of physique, right? You have to practice, you have to get up in the morning, you have to do it from on your own motivation. You have to put that energy for yourself. If you are expecting somebody else to do that, right, I want six-pack abs but I want my friend to do that exercise for me, it is not going to happen like that, right? So I have seen many students, I have seen many of my mentees doing that because they want success but they don't want to work for it. They want somebody else to do that, and when that happens, it also happens that they are expecting something in return as well from others, right? Rather than putting their own effort into that game, they are expecting somebody else to do that, right? So when we expect something from others, right, there are different dimensions to expectations from others as well, right? But if you are expecting something from others for your satisfaction, for your growth, right, then that is something which is not going to happen, right? If you are expecting something from others for your success, then rest assured, my friend, that some or the other day you are definitely going to be the biggest failure that you can think of, right? So stop expecting from somebody else, right? Nobody is liable to be answerable. Nobody is answerable to whatever you are expecting from them, right? It is you who is having that thought that somebody else should do something for me, or if I am doing something for someone, then that someone should think about me. That is something which is not going to happen. You have to keep on doing your own efforts. You have to keep on putting your energy. You have to you have to ensure that whatever is in your capacity, you are giving your 100%, right? So you have to do that for your own success and your own growth. If you are doing that, success is definitely going to happen to you, right? Rather, you will ensure that you are becoming successful some or the other day, right? Because you have put in all the efforts for yourself without expecting anything from others, right? So that is something. And in my first video, I have promised that I'll be giving you one word which will ensure that all these topics that we discussed in the 5 videos, it becomes easy for you to remember. So it is the time that I should disclose that. If you have observed closely, all the topics that we have discussed about, it talks about competition, it talks about lethargy, it talks about opinionated approach, it also talks about short-term process or pleasure. And today we have discussed about expectations from others as well, right? So if you take first alphabet of all these topics, you will get one word which will say close, right? CLOSE, right? Close. This one word, please keep this in mind, because if you are very much sure that if you have anything and everything which is closed, right, if you are closed behind the doors, if you are closed behind getting out in the public, if you are closed behind your own thought process, if you are closed behind your own approach towards life, right, your failure is 100% guaranteed because of your approach, right? So don't let that happen to you, right? Open yourself. The more open you are, you will ensure that you are slowly and steadily approaching towards your own success. So that is something which I wanted to share with you all. I hope you have liked this series. If you want me to share any more content on the same topic or any other topic that you can think of, please do share in the comment box, and definitely help me out with the feedback for this series as well, right? So thank you so much, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you.